Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I am going to be creating something really different, and it's really interesting guys, and it includes a colgate. Yes guys, rather than just brushing your teeth with colgate, you must know that it has some amazing benefits and it can be lifesaver in some of your situations. So, and we are going to be talking about that now. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. And let's get started guys.
They said to wait for the right time, and I think tonight might just be right. I know you want to do it too, so bring your courage, there's no rules. Don't be scared, just trust me. Take my hand any minute now. Get ready to smile. And I just wanna see the colors and rainbows, 'cause we just wanna be in this dream forever. Just in this dream forever. Just forever. Just in this dream forever. Now that you're knee deep in this vice, just enjoy, take my advice. You say that you love it and you're okay, but I know better and you're afraid. Have no shame, just let go. Follow me to another land. Try to understand. And I just wanna see the colors and rainbows, 'cause we just wanna be in this dream forever. Just in this dream forever. Forever. Just and I just wanna see the colors and rainbows, 'cause we just wanna be in this dream forever. Just wanna see. We just wanna see.
So guys, these were all the Colgate hacks I wanted to talk about and show you guys. I really hope that you like this new concept I have created, and if you have, just let me know in the comments down below. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. Hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss any update from my channel. Also, make sure that you follow me on my social media, link to which I'm going to leave in the description box below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. Benefit of it as well, and it can sometime prove to be life-saving for you guys. So there are certain hacks I'm going to be talking about in this video, and you must know that Colgate has so many other benefits rather than just cleaning your teeth. So to and for that and oh my god.